Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to continue with this AutoCAD topic, which is the day 2, which is the basic commands for the AutoCADs. So in the day 1 we have covered all these commands, which is from serial number 1 to 6, which is basic setting command. Okay, so today I am going to continue with the second day's command, which is starting from serial number 7 to 15, which is which is mostly come in modify toolbar. So let us start now. Before I start this video, I would like to request you all guys, before I start this video, you have to subscribe my channel and please like and share my video, so that whenever I upload any video you will get the notification of that video. So let us continue with this second days. So start from this arc command. So let us open this AutoCAD. I am using the very latest version of AutoCAD, which is 2024. Okay, AutoCAD LT 2024. So you can practice in any one of these any one of the versions. Everyone will be same, but here is this version is little bit advanced version, so no worry, you can practice in any one of the version. So first of all, I will show you the shortcut command for the arc, which is A. So just enter here A for arc. Okay, enter, and you can see here in the command bar it is asking the arc specify the start point of the arc, or C for center. So this is the start point. Okay, and now it is asking the specify the second point of the arc. So this is the second point, and you can create arc like this. Again, if you want to continue with the same command, so just press enter button and specify the first point, again second point. Okay, similarly you have to again press the space button to repeat the command. So just press space button and it will ask the first point of the arc and the second point of the arc like this. Okay, again repeat the command, first point second point, again repeat the command, first point second point, and again repeat like this, first point and second point. So this cloud I prepare with the help of arc command. So I use let me open this line weight. So this is the line weight I have active here. I have on here line weight. Okay, and I have set the line weight here 0.3 mm. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this time I use the direct command arc command from this modified toolbar. Okay, I will not use the shortcut keys. Okay, so I'm going to change first, you have to change the color, so I'm going to change it to red. Okay, and then take here arc. So here is the arc. Okay, so you can see here so many options are given here. So I'm going to select first start and center. So start, center, end. Okay, so first option is start, center, end, or 3 points. So first option is 3 points. So let us continue with this 3 point. Select this and specify the start point. You can see here in the command bar it is asking specify the start point of the command. Okay, so this is my start point, and again you can see here specify the second point of the command, or circle, center, or end. So this is my second point. So you can see you can make command like this, arc like this. Okay, so I want to click here. Okay, again I want to repeat the same command. So just go to this draw toolbar, select this arc, specify the first point and then second point. You can draw. Again you have to choose first point, second point, and click here. Again you have to choose first point, second point, and click here. Again you have to choose first point and second point, click here. Okay, like this. So this is how we are using this arc command. So here there are so many options given. So first option is 3 point, second option is a start, center, end, and third point is start, center, angle, and start, center, length. So many options are given here. So we have to select the second option, start, center, end. So just select it. Okay, so for this one you have to prepare, you have to select this, you have to draw two line first. So just draw one line here, take another color, okay, and just draw one line like this. Just switch on the ortho command, ortho mode, okay, like this. Okay, now we have to go to this arc drop down button, select the start, center, and end. So this is the start, center, and end. Okay, this is the start point, center point, and end point. Okay, like this. Again repeat the command, go to this arc, select a start, center, end. This is the start point, center point, and end point, like this. Similarly you have to select one more times. This is the start point and center point, and this is the end point. Like this you can practice all these options. So start, center, angle. The second option is start, center, angle. Once you take your cursor here, so it will visible here how it looks like. So start, center, and angle. Okay, so select this one, start. So for this one we also required one more line here, one straight line. Okay, so let us change the color first. I'm taking the yellow this time. So just draw one line, okay, and select this option, start, center, and angle is 90 degree. Okay, so like this. So next one is start, center, and length. So this is how it looks like. You can see here one more draw one more line. First change the color from properties panel. So this time I'm going to take the magenta color, okay, and I'm taking one line and just copy this line this side. Okay, so now I'm going to use this command, which is start, center, and length. So select this one, and here you can see in this command bar it is asking specify the start point of the arc. So this is my start point. Okay, and you can see here again it is asking specify the center point of the arc. So this is the center point, and now specify the length of the chord or hold control to switch direction. So you can see this is my length of the chord. Okay, similarly if you want to repeat the command, just press enter button or space button. So I'm going to press the space button. Okay, and I'm just selecting the start point, center point, and end point, like this. Okay, so select this one, start point, center point, and this is my length of the chord. Okay, so next one is your start, end, and angle. So just take your cursor here, and you can see this start, end, and angle. So just select this one. So for this one also we required one line. So let us change this color, take one line here. Okay, take one line, go to this arc, start, and angle, select this one, start, end, and angle is 90 degree or 45 degree, whatever it is, you just entered here. Okay, similarly for second option I am choosing another angle. So just select, go to the arc, start, and angle. So this is the start, end, and angle is 180, like this. So similarly, there are so many options here given. So start and direction, start and radius. So I'm going to select this one, start and radius. So for this one I'm going to take this green, okay, and take one line here, okay, one line, and select start and radius. So start and radius, start and you can provide radius. So I hope you guys learn how to create the arc, how to use the arc command. So in the next tutorial guys, I will explain the ellipse command, which is el. So I hope you guys learn something from this video. So please be with me and keep watching my videos, and thank you for watching my videos. Please be with me and keep share and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.